Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today. Welcome aboard on this video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to improve the realism of your model airplanes. It's a pretty simple thing that you can do to improve how they look and their visual realism. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate on this Iberia A340-300 aircraft made by JC Wings, I believe. Here's how they'll come in the box with the plastic covering over it, and then there'll probably be some sleeves over the nose gear, maybe somewhere else on the model. But I've already used this at one of my model airport dioramas, so today I'm just going to be taking it out of storage and doing some work on it to show you how we can improve the realism of your model airplanes. Alright, get this little plastic wrapper off here. Here is the Iberia A340-300. Nice looking model. What we're going to do today is really simple, really easy, really quick. Probably could take less than a minute, less than 2 minutes on each of your models. And I think it's really worth it. It makes the planes look a lot more realistic. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a number 2 pencil. That's all you're going to need to make this happen. So procure a number 2 pencil, and then we're going to get to work. So obviously you might notice when you're flying that hydraulic fluids tend to leak, especially on the wing by the flaps, or maybe even some particles or whatnot, or some fluid. I don't know exactly what it is. If somebody could tell me, that would be really helpful. But some stuff tends to also come out from behind the engines and kind of trail over the top half of the wing here. You can see that especially when you're in a window seat near the wing. I know I've seen it on a lot of the flights that I've been on. But nonetheless, that trailing hydraulic fluid is definitely something that is pretty visible, and that's something that we can replicate easily by using a simple pencil. Today I'm using a number 2 pencil from Ticonderoga, but any pencil will do. What we're going to do to replicate that trailing hydraulic fluid is I'm actually going to take the pencil and I'm going to draw lines over the wing. This is pretty easy. Made a nice thick line there. Then I'm going to head down to this engine and I'm going to make another line. Then in between there, I'm going to add some pencil markings, some graphite, to the trailing edge of the wing where the flaps would extend down on takeoff and landing. We're going to repeat that same process for the other side, adding some nice thick graphite markings to the number 1 engine there, and again here to the outer engine. After I've done that, pretty simple. All that you have to do is you have to take one of your fingers. I use my index finger. You're going to take one of your fingers and you're going to smudge that graphite moving backwards over the trailing edge of the wing, and repeat that for wherever you have added graphite. Now while I'm doing this, I'm actually accumulating some graphite residue on my finger, and that's also really useful for, say, maybe dirtying the top of the plane or something else if you wanted to add effect there. So you can just run your finger and the graphite residue on it over whatever surfaces you want to darken and dirty. And that's really nice and easy to do, really easy to apply. Alright, so I've added some of this graphite look. I'm just making my final touches here on the engines and the hydraulic fluid from the flaps here. And that's how it looks, and that's looking really great. I hope you can see that in the shot. The upside to doing this is if you decide that you don't like how it comes out, or you decide that you want to clean up your model if you're selling it or something like that, it's really easy to take off this graphite and restore it to that mint out-of-the-box condition. And you can do that quite easily by taking a damp paper towel and just rubbing it over the wing surface, and that'll get all of the graphite residue right off the model airplane, and it'll get it looking back just like it was when you took it out of the box. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make your planes, your model airplanes, look more realistic. Again, today I was demonstrating on a 1/400 scale JC Wings A340-300 aircraft operated by Iberia. But you can do this on a number of different planes. I've done it here on my Alaska Airlines 737-900 and on a lot of other planes at my model airport. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for another video coming out soon when I review my new model airport that I've just set up. I'm super excited about it, and I think there's a lot to cover in that video. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and see you next time.